Fruit acidity. How to calculate fruit acidity? Here we have taken amla juice. The sample is amla juice. We have taken 0.5 grams, that means 0.5 ml of amla juice, pure juice we have taken. We have taken sodium hydroxide. The strength of the sodium hydroxide is 0.1 normal. Here we have taken 0.5 ml of sample solution. Volume of the sample solution used for the titration is 0.5 ml. We have not diluted the solution. Directly we have taken 0.5 ml of solution. We got titre value 2.15 ml of sodium hydroxide. Then I will tell how to calculate fruit acidity of the amla juice. Fruit acidity. Now we get titre value. Acidity in the sample we want to calculate. Now titre value with sodium hydroxide is 2.15 ml. So acidity in the sample is equal to titre value in ml into normality of the sodium hydroxide. Here normality of the sodium hydroxide is equal to 0.51. Therefore here acidity in the sample will come in terms of milliequivalents. Therefore acidity in the sample is equal to 2.15 into 0.1 milliequivalents. Acidity in the sample is equal to 2.15 into 0.1 milliequivalents, that is equal to 0.215 milliequivalents per 0.5 ml or 0.5 grams of sample. Therefore 1 ml of juice contains acidity equal to 0.215 milliequivalents by 0.5 ml, that is equal to 0.43 milliequivalents. Now it is acidity is in milliequivalents. Therefore that value equals to 0.43 into 70 milligrams of citric acid, that is called 30.1 milligrams of citric acid. Here we converted milliequivalents to milligrams of citric acid. Here 1 milliequivalent of acidity equal to 70 milligrams of citric acid. If at all, if we are calculating to malic acid, we have to multiply this milliequivalents with 67 milligrams. If we want to calculate in oxalic acid, we have to multiply with 45. If we want to calculate in terms of tartaric acid, we have to multiply with 75 milligrams. If we want to calculate in terms of sulfuric acid, we have to multiply this figure with 49 milligrams. If you want to calculate in terms of acetic acid, you have to multiply this with 60 milligrams. Otherwise, if we want to calculate in terms of lactic acid, you have to multiply milliequivalents with 90 milligrams. So therefore here we want to estimate in terms of citric acid. So we multiplied these milliequivalents with 70. So finally here for each ml 30.1 milligrams of citric acid we observed. Now we calculated in terms of citric acid for each ml. Here one thing I want to say, here molecular formula of citric acid is C6H8O7 H2O. This is monohydrate form of citric acid. So molecular formula of citric acid equal to 210.14 grams. In round figure it is 210 grams. But citric acid is tribasic, therefore its equivalent weight 210 by 3, that is equal to 70 grams. So we are multiplying milliequivalents with 70 in order to get in terms of milligrams. So 1 milliequivalent weight of citric acid is called 70 milligrams. This how this 70 milligrams came for each milliequivalent of acidity. Means we calculated based on the molecular formula of citric acid and its equivalent weight. This is the reason 1 milliequivalent weight of citric acid is equal to 70 milligrams. Now for each ml of amla juice we calculated acidity. 1 ml of amla juice contains acidity in terms of citric acid equal to 30.1 milligrams. Therefore 1 ml of amla juice contains acidity in terms of citric acid equal to, in terms of grams, it should be divided by 1000. Therefore, that value equal to 0.0301 grams. Now we calculate for each ml of amla juice. Now we will calculate for 100 ml, grams per 100 ml. How many grams of citric acid is there for 100 ml of amla juice? Therefore, 100 ml of amla juice contains acidity in terms of citric acid equal to 0.0301 grams into 100. That is equal to 3.01 gram. Therefore, acidity percent in amla juice equal to 3.01 in terms of monohydrate citric acid. So, in this way we have to calculate acidity percent on citric acid basis. Monohydrate form of citric acid basis, we are calculating acidity in terms of percentage. Acidity here, acidity percent of amla juice equal to 3.01, means 3.01 grams of monohydrate citric acid is present for each 100 ml of amla juice.